I know you want to make a lot of money super quickly because you're in your 30s, you're in your 40s, you work already hard. But let me tell you why I'm never going to do this one ever again. Probably want to know what I'm talking about. You probably have seen it everywhere because how can you not see that? We've all stepped upon that one and we've all been curious and wondered, hey, like, how is this working? If a random person can make so much money online, why not me? So you're wondering what I'm talking about. You probably have seen it everywhere. You probably know someone who has done it, or someone who's still doing it, or maybe someone who's thinking of doing that. And I'm talking about the Forex market. It is insane. It's everywhere online, and people are making so much money doing that that how can you not just ignore it? You probably want to know more about this. So let me tell you the truth. Truth is that I have done it and I really burned myself really bad doing forex trading. It was very painful. And here's my story doing that. I started just before COVID happened. So that was back in late 20, I mean, yeah, late 2020, really. Like that's when I really got into it. I saw someone online, talking about how much money they're making. It was a woman that was in the fitness industry, and she was just posting about how much money she was making by just copying and pasting some numbers in an app, and she would make just ridiculous amount of money just by doing that. And she would post her wins and everything. So I got curious, wouldn't you? So I kind of like learned a little bit more. I did sign up to whatever company was offering that course about forex trading. And that's when the ridiculous situation started where, you just pour money into the market, the forex trading, and you actually make little money. So you believe in that because you're like, hey, I made a little bit of money, so it is working. It's not a scam, and you just carry on like thinking, okay, if I know more, it's gonna happen for me. So I'm just gonna continue studying and learning and practicing and putting more money in the market and everything. And at the end of the day, you're losing so much more than what you're making that it's not even worth it. And after some time, quite some time, I decided to stop that because it was just beyond ridiculous to just pour money when you're actually trying to make money, but you're losing money every day. Does not make sense. And even all the gurus online telling you, hey, copy my trades, you're going to make so much money. There's going to be that one trade that's going to wipe out all the wins, and you're going to be back to scratch, to zero, having nothing. And they'll let you know you got to put a little bit of more money so we can trade again. And there you go, you try again. So you do believe those gurus online, and you try and you make a little bit of money, and you feel like it's not a scam, but it is actually a real scam. Because the truth is that forex markets, forex trading, anyways, is entirely manipulated. The brokers that are taking your money, that are handling your accounts, they literally know where you place your entries and exits. So they will make sure that you will win a little bit, you'll see a little bit of profits, so you'll feel like it is entirely your doing, you're doing the right things and you're making money. But then they will also make sure that at the end of it, they'll take everything. They'll sell your positions to financial institutions that are playing the forex markets. Like if you trade pairs like the USD CAD or USD euro, those currencies, that's where the scam begins, in my opinion. So I'm never going to do that again. The amount of money I invested in the forex trading market is insane. If I did invest actually in the S&P 500 instead, without even trading, just opening a position and letting it roll, I would have so much money right now just by investing. But no, because we believe that we can make so much money so quickly, I mean, that's a shiny object again. And when you want so bad to make so much so quickly, and you see that online, you want to believe it. And unfortunately, you can really hurt yourself. So that hurt myself because I'm thinking that the money I spent in that could have been just well spent, just invested in the stock market. That's it. So I'm not doing forex trading. I will never do it again, ever, ever. And I do not recommend anyone doing that. There are way better ways to make money online, even if it's trading, but you trade the futures market, not the forex trading, not forex. Forex is just, it's a scam. It is a big scam. So that's my view on that. That's my experience. I'm telling you, I lost so much money. It's insane. I don't want you to lose any money. So if you don't have a lot of money and you want to believe in this miracle of making so much with that, don't do it. Don't do it because at the end of the day, it's going to hurt you. And I know some people are going to tell you, yeah, no, it does work. She doesn't know what she's talking about. Yes, it probably works for some people, but I guarantee you the majority are just losing money. Trust me. I really do hope this was helpful to someone. At least if I can help one person who's going to be okay, thank you for sharing your experience. I would be happy. So if you tell me that this helped you, I'd be happy. And I'm telling you, I've done that for the Forex probably 2 years. Yeah, probably 2 years. So I did burn myself quite bad. Don't do it. If you have any questions, just comment below. Let me know. I'll be happy to help out if I can. If you have any just suggestions, comments, go ahead. Let me know as well. Any comment is good. If you haven't done so already, please give me some thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That helps a lot. I'm just a little channel and I'm growing, and I'm doing my challenge of posting every day on YouTube for 30 days. And right now, this is day 2. If you want to do the challenge with me, you're welcome. But I'm trying to grow my channel and I'm trying something new every day. And this is completely new for me. If you want me to talk about something in particular, go ahead, let me know. I'll be happy to do it. See you on the next one.